Now we are discussing about opportunities, make money opportunities. How to make money opportunities. So many opportunities are there. In that today we can discuss about one opportunity, that is become a graphic designer. An average base salary of around $58,000 per year makes graphic design another high paying career worth pursuing for creative individuals. It is an excellent way of earning money online. Choose a design specialization and learn the required skills. For example, a logo designer should master color theory, typography, and design tools like Adobe Illustrator or CorelDRAW. So you should having some content writing skills and some vocabulary also. You should have very good vocabulary also to express the content of that particular logo for your business, organization or service. And many design courses are available on various e-learning platforms to help you get started. Here are some of the best sites to make money online via graphic design gigs. Design Crowd offers a wide range of projects from logo and website to billboard design. And Minty, ideal for skilled artists looking for design projects with automatically generated contracts. And next is we work remotely. Find different types of remote design jobs, and 99 Designs is also one website is there, provides high quality graphic design services for websites, apps, clothing, merchandise, business and advertising. Likewise, graphic designing is also a very good business, because graphics may be same to so many businesses, but it is not similar to every business. Every business have its own identity and service, so that graphic designing for business or service or organization will be highly effective to the people. Once if you design a logo, it will give, once if you pass through social media, that logo should have your business and service and your contact details. That logo should give, that graphic page should give. But that likewise, graphic designers can earn a lot, and it is very impactful to the society nowadays. Not society, in social media and in people also. So it is also a very good earning scope for a graphic designer. Graphic designing skills also will be increased day to day. Being a graphic designer, your work, today's work is different from the next year and next year. The designing skills and vocabulary skills, all skills will be increased by the time being. So you will be talentful for the time being. So it is a successful career to you. Wishing you all the best.